It is December 4th, 11:15 AST. Extremely exciting another day. We're having extremely exciting December and I expect markets to get even more volatile. Pay attention to what's happening on S&P and what's happening on oil. Let's review. First of all, S&P once again reminded you, as yesterday was extremely unexciting day on S&P because S&P was extremely close to reversal zone. This is where sellers stepped in from, especially picked up this theme when unemployment data was announced, which is not so rosy. Pay attention. We had taken long-term short trade on S&P. This is our long-term short trade on S&P that came to reversal zone 7 points later. What did I do next? Knowing that reversal zone in and knowing that bearish trend is extremely major, we respect and adore combination of reversal zone on my trade and the end of the minor trend on hourly. So we took long. Our long from 2063 is taking a major pause as expected at the end of the minor trend. It will be highly unlikely if S&P will break through this level. In just a second, let's update the results. This is another trade on S&P. We've taken trade number on S&P trade number 7, correct? Out of 7 trades, 6 trades had been positive, correct? 6 trades had made it to decision point 1, as you're witnessing currently. But again, as I said to you, we're still short on larger time frame, as I expect to see S&P at 2059.25. Everything I do for demonstration purposes only. We expected the fight on S&P between this level, between 2062 to 2064.75. Oil schmoil, let's see what oil had done, as it don't matter to me what I trade. It's all the same formula. We came to the market this morning and we said, how marvelous is price. We have the end of the minor trend. Let's buy. Our students, as spelled out by our beautiful Brian, had taken pre-market long. We came to the trading room, we had taken a later long. This was our reversal zone on our trade where we shorted oil from. Correct? Here we go, knowing extremely well this is the end of the minor trend, knowing extremely well this level will be broken. Just make sure you don't short anywhere near. Next level on oil, 65.71. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. So 7 trades on S&P, 6 positive. 18 trades on oil, 16 positive. 18 plus 7, 25. Out of 25 trades, only 3 negative trades. If you do not take aggressive trades, first of all, you ain't buying no S&P right now. You are still extremely short. I just demonstrate the method, traders. Wherever I see a trade, I tell you. We know extremely well major trend on S&P currently is bearish. Let me show you where S&P is heading next. And let's take a look at what other time frames are doing. First of all, pay attention to where S&P is currently on hourly. To the downside, where we bought S&P from. This is my very short time frame where S&P is struggling to break through, as expected, correct? The same exact thing is happening on oil daily. Can oil daily break through this level and continue further up? That remains the key. The same exact level on oil daily as an S&P small time frame. That simple. And here we go. Magic of the price. It don't matter what I trade. It don't matter what instrument, what time frame. Formula remains the same. The formations we are seeing currently on monthly charts are the formations we had not seen in years. Oil monthly, music to my ears. I had not touched levels in 5 years. Oil not far off from decision point 2. Rule that has no number in a play. Price spelled out since 5 years ago that oil heading south. 63.71 is broken. Oil heading to 44. Don't you love seeing dirt cheap oil? I do. Very much so. I can't wait to see what my old home, Russia, will do when oil at 44, what poor Saudis will do at 44. I don't know if it will take oil 5 years to make it there or 5 days. I just play by the rules. I know extremely well what oil daily is telling me. Oil daily is telling me to be extremely, extremely careful, as daily came to reversal zone where we had been buying, and pay attention to this level. Until oil will break this level, this remains ultimate destination. And if you know my rules, pay attention to the magic of the price. Reversal zone on daily will be reached sometime soon. Isn't that magical when it correlates with reversal zone on hourly? You look to buy. That's simple. It doesn't get any better than that. The magic of the price remains the same. And if you knew and traded AlphaWaveTrader, speaking of the devil, we're seeing extremely powerful buying formations on gold weekly. Gold weekly. Again, everything remains to be seen on what happens, and if gold daily can't break through this level, your first target if you trade position. Again, we're still monitoring S&P to the upside, struggling against same exact level. Next level on gold, 1250. If gold is breaking through this level and all of this level, we have a bullish rally in a play. And if you knew my method, you had opportunity to buy gold at drastically lower levels. Price is magic. Choice is yours, what you trade. I really would like to take a look on Euro next. How did we know that ultimate destination on S&P 2064,675? We're still short on larger time frame. Next level after 2062, 2059 and a quarter. Your trail on larger time frame 7 points later at 2065.50. So this is one of my favorite charts of all time. All the levels drawn on Euro since 2011. Since 2011, Euro spelled out where reversal zone will be on weekly chart. Short based on AlphaWaveTrader method from 3800 3840 levels, because this was the exhaustion of the bearish trend, of the bullish trend. Let's take a look on Euro now. Woo! How marvelous is price. Short on Euro weekly in reversal zone at 2300 levels. Not a good place to short Euro. It's all the same formula. We're still short S&P 2062. Can S&P break and collapse to 2059 and a quarter? Small time frame on S&P, big time frame on Euro. Formula remains the same. Price completes against all rules. Price, everything preset in it. It has a magnificent dance that it keeps repeating time and time again. Only you know what's appropriate for you and your account size. What you should trade. Is it ETF monthly? Is it stock weekly? Is it S&P 1 minute chart or Euro weekly 4 hour? Don't forget, this is what I'm projecting on S&P. Next level 2060. After that, if S&P will break through that level, 2055 and all the way to 2047. So we know extremely well that major trend is bearish. It's that simple. No need to make trading complicated. So if you're lucky enough to come to AlphaWaveTrader in the month of December, bootcamp is included. So let me explain again if you are not clear. It is all on the website. Only once a year I teach Fibonacci trading bootcamp. You joining December bootcamp included. All the other prior students have to pay this much, which means you're saving a ridiculous amount of money. It's a holiday gift to December students. That's simple. Click on this link and subscribe. As of a couple of hours ago, we have only one spot left. That's simple. Use the Google browser, don't use any other browsers, and I look forward to seeing you there. We are closed as of December 11th, and let me remind you results. So far on oil, 18 trades, 16 positive, and it's only December 4th. On S&P, 7 trades, 6 positive. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Out of 25 trades, only 3 negative. Our short is completed 7 points later. Our long picking up this steam. Next target 2066. After that 2067.75. So bullish rally on S&P is picking up this steam. As I encouraged you, monitor for the fill close to reversal zone. We're expecting push to the downside on S&P. Another very painful and very aggressive trade that making it to the targets. I do not encourage you being an aggressive trader. I encourage you to remain a conservative trader. Long from 2063. We'll discuss this trade in detail. Oil also gave us another trade, oil collapsing further down, not far from reversal zone. Do not ignore what reversal zone means. As I spelled out to you since early this morning, major trend on hourly is bullish until oil was not able to break through this level. We witnessed brutal fight on oil, fight between the trends from minor up to minor down. As long as you're not shorting anywhere near this level, we took it as far away from this level as we possibly could. And right now we're witnessing that oil is taking major pause, one tick prior to reversal zone, as completely expected. Adjust your trail drastically closer. If the sellers are capable of blasting through reversal zone, our trade will migrate into larger time frames. That remains to be seen. Once again, reversal zone is reached. Let's document that. Out of 19 trades, 13 trades on oil made it to reversal zone. 17 positive. Is that clear? Extremely crucial to respect the levels. Again, 19 trades on oil, and that's the trade on S&P, 7, which would make it 26. Out of 26 trades, only 3 negative. That's the power of the price, and that's the power of Fibonacci levels. Okie dokie traders, that's enough. Let's just give oil a few more minutes to collapse further down. It would be magic if it does. And this is it for today. Nothing is open tomorrow except Fibonacci class. That's all I teach on Friday. I don't believe in trading on Friday. I believe in price, and I believe that it's crucial to play by the rules. Friday is the freakiest day ever. Friday is like girl who takes shots of espresso mixed with Jack Daniels. No need to trade on Fridays. We devote Friday to Fibonacci. So that's all there is. That's where oil is. Let's see what happens next. Those are the levels further out. Your trail at 66.60. Adios everybody. I can't take it anymore. Too much trading. Let's go into the trade review. Come on oil, push down baby, you can do it. No. Reversal causing the problem. Just like reversal on daily. Know your levels. It don't matter what you trade. If you trade daily or 30-second chart, price moves exact the same way.